We got Quotex strategy here, using Supertrend and the exponential moving average. Let's set our Supertrend first, with a period of 5. With a multiplier of 3. Then for our moving average, let's set its period into 12. And its type into EMA, or exponential moving average. This method got high win rate when the two lines are crossed. Like the sample below. The EMA crossed with the green Supertrend, then it's an uptrend. While it crosses for the red Supertrend line, then it's a downtrend. Let's trade using this high win rate Quotex trading method. We will find reliable trading opportunities by using these two indicator crossovers. It's ideal to trade for 1 minute with this strategy, using 15-second Heiken Ashi candles. Let's focus on trading high-return OTC currency pairs. Let's trade now using the crossover strategy. Take a look at this, our EMA crosses with the green Supertrend line. This spot has a high chance for the trend to go up in the next minute, with an expected high return rate. As we can see from the previous crossover, the return was good if we had traded it here. This method requires patience and discipline. I choose the 15-second interval since the 5-second interval resulted in more losses. The 15-second interval has shown better results. And got our winning trade on that. Let's identify another Supertrend crossover in our available pairs charts. Here, our EMA line crosses below the red Supertrend line. Let's not hesitate on it. Let's trade 1 minute trade going down. The trend moves downward, resulting in a positive outcome. Follow us for more free trading strategies and achieve success with your trades. Discover more strategies at ultimatefxtools.com. As you navigate between different charts, make sure to wait at least 2 seconds. Switching between assets may take some time for the two indicators to apply their settings, so patience is the best approach for this method. Good trading crossover here. Our EMA crosses the green Supertrend. And a high chance for this trend to go upward. Let's trade going up on this. The trend goes uptrend, and got a winning trade on this. Another trading crossover here. An uptrend signal for both of the indicators are crossing. Let's trade going higher on it. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest trading strategies with Quotex and other trading brokers. Got losing trade on that, but anyways, this method got high chance, not 100%. Some of our entries may not win due to some currencies may have fluctuations.